Now I tell a story. The name of the story is Anandi's Rainbow. So this is the story, Anandi's Rainbow. I think students you enjoy this story because this is a story of our nature regarding the rainbow. So it was raining outside. Anandi was fast asleep, dreaming of rainbows. So it was raining outside, and Anandi became asleep, dreaming of the rainbow. So rainbow, what is that rainbow what we seen in the clouds after rain, that is 7 colors of rainbow. So that is the rainbow Anandi was dreaming when he became fast asleep. After that, when Anandi woke up to look out of her window, there was a huge bright rainbow across a clear blue sky. So after when Anandi woke up from sleep, he saw a rainbow outside the window, which is very huge bright rainbow across a blue sky. Then Anandi ran out to the garden with Millie, her favorite cat. Then, when he saw the rainbow, he came out in the garden with Millie. Millie is her favorite cat. Then Anandi loved to draw and paint. Today she wanted to paint the flowers of her garden with the colors of the rainbow. So Anandi, after that, seeing the rainbow, he wants to draw it and paint it. So she wanted to paint the flowers of her garden, and with what now, with the colors of the rainbow that he saw. So after that she colored the flower with the violet, and another with the indigo of the rainbow, one with the blue and leaves with the green, one with the orange, one with the orange, and one with the red. But she left the yellow so that the sun may look bright and gay, and and so that the sun look bright and gay. And lo, there were beautiful flowers all over the garden. The sun was shining up. The sun was up there shining in its yellow glory. So there was some beautiful flowers in the garden, and the sun was shining up in the sky in its yellow glory. After giving colors to the flowers and the sun, the rainbow was gone. So when Anandi gave colors to flowers and sun and the leaves that he draw it, the rainbow was gone. So this is the story written by Anup Roy. I think students you all enjoy this story. Then there is some new words at the bottom of this page, like bright, favorite, indigo, inside, outside, rainbow, violet. So these are the words. Read the spelling of these words very carefully, because all these words are important for your exam. Then there is some question answers in the next page. Do these questions in your home very carefully.